Division Resurgence network failure / network connection error. A hash quick fix: try first, switch Wi-Fi mobile data, restart your phone, restart router, turn off VPN. If still not working, go deeper. Advanced solutions actually fix the problem. 1. Fix DNS, the ISP blocking. Very common. Some networks block Ubisoft servers. Solution: go to Wi-Fi settings, advanced, set DNS to 1.11, 1.11011, or use a DNS app. This fixes most network failed issues instantly. Step 2, use VPN, then turn off trick. Connect VPN to Singapore, Best, Germany, open the game. On-off VPN works if servers are region blocked. NARF 3, stabilize your network. Disable 5G, use 4G or strong Wi-Fi. Avoid switching networks while playing. Turn on airplane mode off, refresh signal. Number 4, clear game cache, fix corruption. Android, settings, apps, game, storage. Tap clear cache. If needed, tap clear data, resets game files. 5, allow background data, settings, apps, game. Enable background data, unrestricted data usage, prevents connection drops. Number 6, disable battery optimization. Set game to unrestricted, no limits, stops Android from killing connection. 7, reset network settings, deep fix. Settings, system, reset. Tap reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. And 8, check server status. Sometimes it's not your issue. Servers may be down or under maintenance. Wait and try late 9. Reinstall the game, last resort. 1, uninstall the game. 2, restart phone. 3, reinstall via Google Play Store. 4, download again on stable Wi-Fi. Hammer's Pro Fix, most powerful. If error still persists, do this combo. 1, clear cache plus data. 2, connect VPN. Singapore. 3, launch game. 4, after it connects, turn off VPN. This solves most stubborn cases. Hatch, why this happens. Network failure equals server blocked by ISP, weak, unstable internet, background restrictions, corrupted game files. Need deeper help? Tell me. Your phone model, Android version,